growth formula. So this is our constant growth valuation. Harris Clothier stock currently sells for $20 a share. It just paid a dividend of $1 a share. That is DO, or D at time period 0, equals $1. The dividend is expected to grow at a constant rate of 6% a year. What stock price is expected 1 year from now? What is the required rate of return? Okay, so let's look at our givens. Okay, our givens are price at time 0, or PO, is $20. That's the price of the stock today. Dividend that was just paid today, or at time period 0, is $1. And we have a growth rate of 6%. Okay, we want to find out what the expected price is 1 year from now. And we also want to find our required rate of return on the stock. So, for our expected price, we can say, since it's constant growth, we could say the price at time period 1 equals PO times 1 plus the growth rate. So in this instance, it's 20, that's PO, times 1 plus our growth rate, 1.06. To get 20, here you can see our formula up here in the formula bar, 20 times 1.06, or 21.20. That would be our price 1 year from now if it grew 6%. Okay, now to find the expected return on the stock, we say expected return equals D1 divided by our price at time PO, or price time period now, plus the growth rate. All right, so our D1 is equal to dividend at time period 0, 1 times 1 plus the growth rate. So in this case, it would be 1.06. All right, $1.06 would be our dividend, divided by 20, and then all that is plus our growth rate of 0.06 to get 11.3%. That is our required rate of return on the stock.